Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're on a quest to find the best hand mixers that will make your baking dreams a breeze. From whipping cream to kneading dough, we've tested them all to bring you our top recommendations. Get ready to stir up some magic in your kitchen as we mix our way through the best of the best. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. This highly favored hand mixer has become a quintessential tool in kitchens worldwide. Its design might lack the complex features found in other models, but its straightforward and dependable functionality has stood the test of time, making it a beloved choice across generations. The latest version boasts a convenient snap-on case to neatly store its attachments, now including both beater and whisk options, enhancing its utility over earlier models. Equipped with a 250-watt motor, the mixer offers 6 speed settings along with a powerful burst feature to smoothly tackle any stubborn lumps in your mixture. Its compact and lightweight design ensures easy storage and handling, making it suitable for both adults and children. It's perfect for mixing up ingredients for brownies, cakes, and lighter cookie doughs. Thoughtfully designed, the mixer can also rest on the edge of your mixing bowl, allowing for a pause in mixing without the mess of drips on your countertop. However, fitting the attachments and cord back into the case might require a bit of maneuvering due to space constraints. Additionally, prolonged use at high speeds could lead to motor wear. Pros: inexpensive, balloon whisk attachment, easy to handle and operate, dishwasher safe. Cons: not appropriate for very thick doughs. Number 2. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. This Cuisinart hand mixer stands out with its comprehensive set of features, complemented by some thoughtful additions that elevate it to our top pick. It boasts a robust motor equipped with a one-touch digital speed control, making it a breeze to switch among its 9 speed settings during use. An especially handy feature is its clip-on storage case, which neatly stores the power cord and all included mixing attachments, such as the handy plastic spatula provided. The ergonomic design of this mixer significantly contributed to its high ranking in our evaluation. The handle's inner curve, reminiscent of a knife's grip, ensures a comfortable and secure hold, facilitating easy one-handed mixing. Uniquely, instead of the conventional top-mounted beater release button, it features a trigger latch on the handles inside, minimizing the chance of accidental release. The power cord's design is equally innovative, capable of swiveling to either side and locking in position, making the mixer effortlessly accommodating for both left and right-handed users. Although it operates louder than other models at higher speeds, we did not observe any performance issues such as overheating or instability. Pros: easy to attach and detach attachments, convenient storage case, works on thick doughs, 3-year limited warranty. Cons: loud at high speeds. Number 3. KitchenAid 9-Speed KHM926ER Digital Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 9-Speed KHM926ER is a versatile kitchen companion, equipped with a variety of attachments to suit any recipe need, from standard whisk and beaters for perfect meringues and cookies to dough hooks for kneading thick bread dough. This mixer has it all. Additionally, it features an immersion blender rod, expanding your culinary capabilities to include soups, smoothies, and more. Operating the mixer is straightforward, with prominent up/down buttons for speed adjustments and a light bar display for current setting visibility. The design prioritizes comfort with a rubberized grip and ergonomic contours on the handle. This mixer's 9 speed settings begin at a gentle pace, minimizing mess by keeping ingredients well contained. Its sleek surface is easy to wipe clean, contributing to a tidy kitchen experience. Available in 5 iconic KitchenAid colors, it allows for personalization in your kitchen aesthetic. For those looking for something similar but without the immersion blender attachment, the Cuisinart 9-Speed presents a comparable alternative. Meanwhile, the KitchenAid 7-Speed cordless model offers a simpler approach, focusing on basic hand mixing with beaters and the freedom from cords. Available in a range of vibrant colors to brighten any kitchen. Number 4. KitchenAid KHMB 732 Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. KitchenAid's reputation is primarily built on its exceptional stand mixers, yet we were intrigued to explore the performance of its hand mixer lineup. Our tests included 4 KitchenAid hand mixers, notably the 7-Speed Cordless, a distinctive choice among major appliance brands for its cord-free design. Cordless mixers often face the challenge of balancing power demands with the convenience of portability, typically resulting in some performance compromises. During our evaluation, we observed that the cordless hand mixer had difficulties with denser cookie dough, particularly after incorporating all the dry ingredients. This limitation seems to stem from a protective mechanism designed to prevent the mixer from operating under excessive strain. thereby safeguarding its internal components from potential damage due to overheating or wear. Despite these constraints, we recognized the trade-offs involved with a cordless model and were not disappointed by its overall performance. The mixer proved to be robust, operating without overheating or producing concerning sounds, even during extended use. Casual bakers, especially those working with lighter mixes, are likely to find this mixer perfectly adequate for their needs. Number 5. Breville Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. Smart technology has made its way into kitchen gadgets, exemplified by this advanced hand mixer that intelligently recognizes the attached tool and automatically adjusts its speed for optimal mixing performance. It delivers increased torque at lower speeds and offers a spectrum of 9 speeds, allowing for a gradual escalation from gentle stirring to vigorous mixing. The feature we found most impressive was its dual whisk configuration, which significantly simplifies the task of egg whipping, enhancing visibility. A mixing light illuminates the bowl's contents, while a power boost feature enables a quick surge in speed to smooth out any lumps, before returning to the standard mixing speed. Additionally, a pause function allows for temporary halting to incorporate further ingredients without starting over. Despite the mixer's exceptional functionalities, it is on the heavier side, weighing in at 4 pounds. However, it compensates for this with a convenient storage solution. All components fit into a case that attaches to the mixer's base, with a space for the cord as well, ensuring everything stays organized and accessible. Pros: easy one-handed speed dial and attachment release. Cons: